Hi, this is Ann Rossley with Baird Warner, coming to you today with this month's Chicago housing market update. The numbers for June are in, and I am very excited to share them with you. All of our statistics today come from our primary market area, which you can see on the map is basically the Chicago lakefront on the north side. New listings. We had a bunch of new listings hit the market in June, up from May and April. And while it's not quite the peak of the year before, it was a very strong number. So 3,583 new listings hit the marketplace. Now, homes for sale is not a record. In fact, we had 5,190 homes on the market in June this year, and that was lower than in previous years, and it shows that people aren't quite at the strength of the pre-COVID market. Homes under contract. There were a bunch of homes that went under contract in June. It was a very strong month. It was at the level of a typical March, April, or May, and very excited to share with you that 1,679 homes went under contract during the month of June. If you watch me talk about the market, you know that I often talk about month supply, and month supply means the number of homes that sell versus the number of homes that are on the market. And the lenders call a static market 5.5 to 6 months. That is neither a buyer's market nor a seller's market. And today we're at 4.9 months worth of supply, and that means that it's currently overall a seller's market, but it varies greatly depending on the price point. And let me show you the graph that demonstrates that. This shows homes broken out from 600,000 and less to up 1.5 million and up. And you'll see that there's a big discrepancy in rate of sale between these price points. For those homes that are less than 600,000, we are at a 3.9 month supply of homes. They are selling fast, fast, fast. For the homes that are priced at 1.5 million and up, we have a 17.5 month supply. Wow. So that is very much a buyer's market. Now, I don't want you to think that just because you have a higher priced home, it's not going to sell, or it's going to take years to sell. What this means is we have to be very smart about our pricing and our marketing, and we'll definitely get the job done because there are still homes selling. All right, let's talk about median sales price. Because there's been such a great demand for homes, and because there isn't as many homes on the market as you saw, what's going to happen? Just what you would expect. It is getting to be higher and higher in median sales price. And in fact, we hit a new high this month of $425,000. Now, that includes everything: attached, condos, townhouses, as well as single family homes. So then that's a median price number. It's not an average price, but still prices are going up, and it's important to know. So basically the three things that you need to know are this. Number one, summer is the new spring. And even though we went through COVID, June and July are proving to be very strong months for buying and selling real estate in Chicago. Number two, yes, it's a seller's market right now, depending on the price point. The higher homes are taking longer to sell. And number three, we have reached a 3-year peak in median sales price. Those were the things to know. There's one thing to remember. Every situation is different. And no matter what price point you're thinking of buying or selling in, there is still a way to make it work for you. And so please contact me. Let's talk about your situation, and let's find a way to help you reach your real estate goals. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to talking with you soon.